All right, Dr. DeCubellis here. Let's talk a little bit about how you're finding your attorneys, okay? We work with lots of different attorneys. We work with lots of different specialists. However, I always like to ask people when they come in, if they already have an attorney, how they found that attorney. Most of the time, it's because they were referred to them, and that's great. You know, if someone had a great experience with them, totally fine. Sometimes we have to refer you to someone, that's totally fine too. But when we find out that they just found them because of an advertisement somewhere and they didn't know anything about them, advertisement, maybe it was on the grocery store cart when you were there or on a billboard somewhere, or you saw a commercial on TV, I always cringe a little bit if I don't know that attorney, because just because they were on that advertisement doesn't mean they were good. It means they're putting money into it because it means that they know that there's money to be made. It does not mean that they're the best in the area. So you always want to make sure you interview the attorney and that they are what you're looking for, because remember, they're representing you. Here's a perfect example. There is an attorney in the area. I'm not going to say exactly who or what area, but he's close by, and he advertises especially for personal injury. Now, I will tell you right now, he has not ever taken a case. What he does is when people come in and call him from his different advertisements, he farms them out to other people, because at that point he gets a percentage of the case value since he referred them out. So it's really kind of a bait and switch, really. I mean, he's farming them out to different attorneys, but everyone's calling his ad. So it's smart by the attorney, but he's doing absolutely no work. So if you wanted him, you're not getting him. So you have to be very cognizant of who you're hiring and make sure you interview them. Make sure you mesh with them. Also, you can find out what doctors they work with. If they don't have a group of doctors that they work with as a personal injury or a work comp doc, maybe that's a red flag. But make sure you interview them, because it's always good to make sure you know who you're hiring.